Hello everyone. In this video, using Facebook as an example, I will show you how to create email sequences. That is, not just sending a single email, but sending one email, then having another follow it, and after the second, a third. And in fact, you can keep going like this as many times as you want. But in our case, today, we will go over just 3 messages, but you will understand the basic principle of working with sequential mailings. This is also applicable to other messengers, you just need to take into account the specific features of each one. So let's get started. This time, we won't need the mailing section. We will do everything using the builder section. For this, we create a block where we will specify the first message. Let's fill it in. So our message will look like this. We can also add absolutely any image, any text, any button here. It doesn't matter. Today, we'll only cover text mailings, but again, in your case, you can add anything you want here. That will also be delivered. We click Save. Next, we specify another message using an arrow. Let's set the arrow's timing to 5 minutes, for example. Here, we'll select 5 minutes, save it, and write the text for the second message. Great! This is the kind of message that will follow the previous one, as a sort of reminder. And finally, we create the third message in the same way. Here, we set a 10-minute delay and save the arrow. Excellent! Let's fill in the text for the last message. Done. Save. Now that we have 3 blocks with mailings, they can be sent to your clients very easily. To do this, we go to the first block. Here, in the upper right corner, we click on the 3 dots, select Create Mailing, and then Mailing in Messengers. You can also create an email, in principle, that will be sent to the inbox. But in this video, we will focus specifically on messenger mailings. So we click on it. We will now be redirected again to the familiar builder, where we specify the name of our mailing. Again, let me remind you that only you can see the name of this mailing, and all we need to do here is select Facebook Messenger. Here, we select it and immediately recalculate the users. Great, 2 people will receive the mailing. We won't set any restrictions. That is, there will be no exclusions by lists or tags. Let's go straight to the message section. We can see that the text is already filled in. If there were buttons or images, they would also be filled in here. Now let's move on to the sending section. We won't specify a sending interval here. Let's launch the mailing right away. I also want to show that I don't have anything here yet. I've opened Facebook. There are no new messages yet. Let's go back and click Send. We can see that it's currently in progress. Let's refresh the page and wait for this message indicating that all messages have been sent. Now let's go to Facebook. I can already see that we have a new notification here, and I see that a new message has arrived in my chat. This is our mailing. But now we need to check whether this message will actually arrive in 5 minutes. How can we do this quickly? We go to the Clients section, find our client, and by the Facebook icon, we can quickly identify them. We open the client's card, which is located on the right, and here there is an item called Scheduled Messages. We click on it and see that in 5 minutes, this message from block 22 296 will be sent. We go back to the builder and see that the ID of this block is also 22296. So everything is correct. Let's go back and we can send it in advance by clicking this button. We send this message, go back to Facebook, and see that we have also received a second additional message. We go back to the Clients section, refresh the page, return again to the client card, and see that once again we have a scheduled message, but this time from block 297. If we go back to the builder and take a look, yes, indeed, the third message has this very ID. We can also send it in advance, go to Facebook, and see that we have received a third message as well. That is, the first message, the second, and the third. In this simple way, we can send message sequences to absolutely any messenger, by email, it doesn't matter, using the Mavibot platform.